Oh, Randy! Oh. You know, not one, and not two, but 3 people asked me just today, why don't I do more unboxing videos? I forget, man. I get stuff in and I forget, and I just don't unbox stuff. I do unbox every guitar that I get in shipping here, and video it. I don't always show it, but I always unbox the video the unboxing and the condition, the guitar and the case and the packing and everything made the trip in. Okay. Anyways, 3 people asked me to do an unboxing today alone, and I get asked that about every day or two. So I got a box here. I want to show you who it's to or from. I don't know who this is from. It's definitely to me. I don't have a clue what this is in this box right here. No clue in the world, man. We're going to find out. I already scanned the outside of the box with this. Earl's, he likes that light quite a lot, man. Does terrible things. I got to clean it up every time before I use it. I have to disinfect it because Earl's been playing with it. Anyways, come on over. We'll open this box and see what's in it. And no clue, man. It says it's from Julie T. That's all it says. She's in California. That's all I can tell you. That's all I know. I don't know who Julie T is. But anyway, let's see what she said. So, yeah, man. I've already scanned that with this big job here. That's Earl's new toy. Man, everybody ought to get one of these, especially with this pandemic thing going on. I scan everything with it. I haven't scanned the inside, of course. Let's see. I guess I can just... Wow, is that thing really that dull? Yep. It's that dull. How y'all been doing, man? I thought it was pretty amazing that 3 people would ask me in the same day. Then I'm going to do another unboxing, and this box came in today. I thought, well, okay, I'll do an unboxing. Everybody wants to see one. Why not, right? Why do people like unboxing videos so much for? Still don't know what it is. Not a clue, man. Let me get rid of this. Well, I might need it to... No, there's no tape on that. Okay, I'll get rid of this. I don't know what it is people like about unboxing, man, but... Oh, I know what this is now. Digital inspection endoscope, it says. You remember the one somebody sent me a while back? I did a video on it. I should have scanned all this shit too with the light, but too late now, eh? Anyways, the other one that I was sent was a big one, really big. It's useful though. This is supposed to be a lot smaller one, about the size of a phone. Oh yeah, man, check that out. This company reached out to me. I forget their name right off. It's not on, probably on this. I can get it out. Oh, there it is. User manual. USB cord. Little things to add on to the end of your eye where the light is. It's got a light in the end of it. I'm assuming it does. They all do, or usually. I forget the name of this company. I'll have to put it in text here, because I can't remember right off. Anyways, they reached out to me and wanted to know if I would be interested in reviewing one of these, another one of them. I said, yeah, it was different from I think I've got, this is the 3rd or 4th one. It was the 2nd one they sent me, this company. But I said, yeah, I guess, you know, if it's a good product, I will. I don't review shit on this channel. I just don't do it. If they send me something and it's shit, you're not going to see it here. Got a nice long cord here. I'm not going to review it on this video. I didn't know what it was till right now. But we can look it over, man. There's, I guess it's got an on and off somewhere. And there looks like where you plug the USB into it. And there's what the back of it looks like. Get the thing not to glare out on you too bad. Model number. It just says digital endoscope camera. Model number is MS450-NTC, if anybody wants to look that up. And there's what the front of it looks like. Get the lights out of it, man. Hope you can see that all right. So I don't know anything. There's the switch, probably turn it on. Yeah, let's charge that. Teslong. That's the name, yeah. Teslong. Well, it says it's got a full battery in it. So, might as well plug it in and see if it works, right? But this is not the review video. I'll do that after I read up some on it. Wonder what's in there. Memory card. Some kind of high video port. This should plug in. Oh, I bet that's where that hooks in at. Yeah, it looks like the same plug. I don't know which way it goes in. It looks like it goes like this. Ha-ha. There we go. I'm just testing it to see if it works right now, okay? That's all, man. This is not the review on it. Alright, here we go. You should be able to see. It says no camera. Yet the camera is hooked up to it. Look for the switch on the camera. That's weird. There's the settings. Shutter sound, date stamp, and resolution. Oh, there's a whole bunch of settings. Auto power off, language, date, time, format, default setting, version. How to go back. I guess that was it. Alright, well, I'm going to have to look into this about how the thing works, man. I mean, it plugs in right there. The other one, you just plug it and turn it on and it worked. This one's saying no camera. It says May the 11th date on it, 2020. That wouldn't make any difference though. I'm missing a switch or something somewhere. Maybe the camera plugs in right here. You know, it's weird that they would make that even fit into that other jack because it plugged right into it. I found another one up here. I'm pretty sure that's it. We'll find out here momentarily. Oh yeah, we got lights. There's a picture of you guys. Can you see yourself? That's scary. That is scary, man. Now, you should be able to brighten that light and dim it. And a whole bunch of stuff. That's just, I think, oh, that's just flipping the picture upside down. You can take still pictures with this. Like say, I'll read about how to use it. There's the light, I think. Yeah, dim and off. Picture of a light, wouldn't you know? Alright. That's upright. There's what the little camera looks like. Like I say, it's got a light built on the end of it. Different brightnesses. You can brighten it or dim it or whatever. And then, of course, that's what that looks like. And it picks up whatever the camera's looking at. See what I mean? I can't see very good, man. So I think I'm in there, but I'm not sure. Anyways, it works. And I'll do a review on it later. So watch for that. Go back inside of a guitar and look at it. Or something really weird like that. All this other stuff is probably a USB cord. Looks like to charge it maybe with. Or transfer from it to the computer. And like I say, those little pieces are, they're little attachments that you attach to the end of this thing. So if I need to stick this in a hole, and look 45 degrees off, or 90 degrees, whatever. You put those little attached, they're mirrors, basically, I think that's what they are. And you can just, you don't have to look straight ahead all the time. You can see off to the sides or up or down, or, you know, however you set them up. So watch for a review to come soon to a channel near you. Hold on. Actually, before we go, see how this thing works. If I can keep it on. This thing is dangerous, man. I mean, see, it's on right now. It don't look that bright, but believe me, I should have, dumbass, man. I should have did this before I touched it. Scan all this crap. I mean, just in seconds, man, it kills sunburn. I forget what the light wavelength of this is. It's got to be a certain wavelength. And, it will seriously sunburn you, man. I mean, it'll burn your skin in a hurry. I use it on everything. Scan everything with it. Everything, man. Everything. I just thought I might as well show it to you. Scan this before I handle it anymore. Can't believe I forgot. Now, like I say, this video is not the review on that endoscope. So, just so the company don't think it was and I did a crappy job. I might do a crappy job, but it'll be on another video. So watch for that if you want to. Those things are really handy, man. Those endoscopes are. Like I say, you can check braces in your guitar. You can go there and actually look at the braces. If you can hold it still, that's my worst problem. They need some kind of a handle that I can hold that camera with, or, you know, stick it back in there with. It's so very hard to hold still. But we'll go through that. Watch for the video. It'll be coming soon to a channel near you. And I hope to see you there. Cheers. Thanks for watching. I can't believe I handled all that stuff and didn't scan it first, man. I went and washed my hands and scrubbed them again. Scanned everything again. Like it's going to make any difference now. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, Randy!